Lithia Springs may not be the most famous spring in Florida, but if you're near Tampa, it's one you don't want to miss. The spring is just a short drive from the city with shallow crystal clear water that stays a refreshing 72 degrees. The park offers hiking trails, shaded picnic areas, and a playground. There are 2 natural springs on site, Lithia Minor and Lithia Major, which features a sandy bottom and wide swimming area. Weekends at the park can get busy, but you'll still find peaceful spots surrounded by Florida's natural beauty. The park also offers campsites and river access for paddling the Alafaya. Whether you're looking to cool off, camp, or explore, Lithia Springs makes a perfect nature escape near Tampa.